Ready? Start. Matter is taken in the revised cause list. Full stop. Heard counsel for parties and perused the record. Full stop. By means of present writ petition, petitioner challenged order dated 6/4/1991 passed by Consumer Disputes Redressal Forum Ghaziabad as well as order dated 30/10/1991 passed by State Commission. Full stop. Para. Facts in brief as submitted by learned counsel for petitioner are that initially contesting respondents for redressal of their grievances filed a complaint under Section 12 of Consumer Protection Act 1986 hereinafter referred to as the Act registered as complaint number 77 of 1990 L.R. Maurya versus Secretary Dur Sanchar, New Delhi. Full stop. Para. Aggrieved by the same petitioner filed an appeal number 307/SC/91 telephone Varanasi versus Ideal Corporate Industry under Section 15 of the Act dismissed YD order dated 30/10/1991. Hence, present writ petition has been filed by petitioner, thereby challenging said order. Full stop. Para. Counsel for petitioner submits that as the impugned order passed by District Consumer Forum, thereby allowing complaint of respondent, and the order passed by State Commissioner under Section 15 of the Act, thereby dismissing appeal of the petitioner, are without jurisdiction. As such, the present writ petition filed by petitioner under Article 226 of the Constitution of India is maintainable, and the same cannot be dismissed on the ground of availability of alternate remedy available to petitioner, and impugned orders are liable to be set aside. Full stop. Para. I have heard counsel for petitioner and gone through the record. Full stop. As per admitted fact of the present case, complaint filed by contesting respondent under the provisions of Section 12 of the Act allowed by Consumer Disputes Redressal Forum by order dated 6/4/1991, thereafter appeal filed by petitioner/appellant, dismissed by appellate authority /state commissioner by order dated 30/10/1991. Full stop. Further, against the appellate order, petitioner got a statutory remedy of revision under Section 21B of Consumer Protection Act 1986 before National Consumer Redressal Commission. Full stop. Para. In view of the above said facts, once the statutory remedy is available to petitioner under the statute itself, then in that circumstances he should avail the same, and writ petition filed by him under Article 226 of the Constitution of India is not maintainable on the ground of availability of statutory remedy under the statute itself, in view of the law as down by apex court in the following cases. In the case of Titagarh Paper Mills Company Limited and another versus State of Orissa and others 1983 to SCC 433, wherein it was held as under where a right or liability is created by statute which give special remedy for enforcing it, that must be availed as the said statute provides a complete machinery in order to challenge the impugned action taken therein in the statute itself, and not under Article 226 of the Constitution of India